I'm going to start up here and go down to kind of a point and come around like that, and then up in a nice curvy circly shape like that. And then here I'm going to draw a little circle on the end, and I'm going to shade it. Well, I'm going to nearly shade it all in. I'm going to leave a little bit left there to make a shiny nose. And I'm going to put a dot for the eye and a smile, and then I'm going to draw the ears. Are you ready? I'll put the top here. We're going to draw a curve, and then we can come straight back to where we started. At the top I'm going to draw a curve and come straight back to where we started. And then I'm going to draw another little curve there and a little curve there so he can hear what's going on. Now let's draw the dog's body. So we're going to go straight across like that. And we're going to go up in a curve, stop and come back again like that. We're going to draw the legs by going down and around and up a bit. We'll draw the back leg. We can go down and around and up a bit. And then we'll join them straight across like that. We're going to draw the paws. 2 little lines across there. 2 little lines there to make the paddy paws. How are you doing? Are you keeping up? And I think we should make that tail wag a little bit. So let's put little lines like that each side of the tail. Oh, I think we need to put a collar on our dog, don't we? So put a little collar there, and we can have a name tag. Squeeze that name tag in there. And then I think we should make this a spotty dog. So draw a half circle there and a half circle there. And we'll draw a circle there and a circle there. And I think we'll draw half a circle there and half a circle there. By drawing half circles, it just makes the spots go right to the edge. So we'll do half circles there. We'll go all the way around that little corner and then one there as well. And then we can shade them all in. How are you doing? Are you keeping up? You know, you can always stop and start the video again if you got confused or you got lost and I've gone too fast for you. You can always do that. You can go back to the beginning or back to anywhere you like and replay the bits that you haven't quite got because I've gone too fast. I hope I haven't gone too fast. There we go. Let's keep doing those spots. We're making him a very spot. What kind of a dog has lots of spots like that? Do you know? It's called a Dalmatian. So maybe we should have some spots on his face as well, like that. Do you think? So we put those half spots around there like that. Maybe not quite so big. And maybe he needs them on his ears as well. So we'll put some half spots right on the edge like that, and we'll put one right on the end and some little half spots like that. Maybe we could give him an eyebrow. Then all you have to do is colour him in. Thanks for watching and subscribing so you can keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy to draw more stuff. Bye.